Hi crafty friends, it's Chris from Daily Dose of DIY and I am back with another free tip for your Friday. Today I'm going to show you how to apply adhesive vinyl using the hinge method. And the hinge method allows us to get vinyl on straight and without wrinkles or without any bubbles. So let me get my video started. There we go. So the first thing you're going to want to do is fold your design in half so that you can find the center of your design. And then once that's done, you're going to need the center of what you're putting it onto if you want it to be centered. If you're doing it somewhere like on the back of a car, of course you don't need to find your center. But if you're doing it on a board, or in this case I'm doing it on a tile, you'll want to find the center of that tile. And once you find it, line up the center of your decal with the center of your tile or whatever you're putting your decal on. The next thing you're going to do is get some, I'm still working on lining it up. You can also center up and down too, but this wasn't too bad. It's only 6 inches up, so I didn't center it that way. Just eyeballed. So once you have the center, for the longest side though, you want to take a piece of masking tape and tape down your decal right down the center. Tape it to your board or to your tile or to your car window, your mug, whatever you're putting your decal on. Put the masking tape down the center of your decal and tape that decal to what you're applying your vinyl to. Next, you're going to take up one side and remove the backing from that side. Once you have the backing all off, we're going to tear it off, or you can use scissors or a knife and cut it off. I'm just going to tear mine off. Now that that's out of the way, you're going to hold your decal up with the transfer tape at about a 45-degree angle and take your scraper and go down the center of it until you reach the end, and then you can go out from the center, go up and down, and get all of your decal burnished on. Doing it that way helps it go on without the wrinkles. And then once that is stuck down good, remove your masking tape. And then we're going to remove the vinyl remove the backing from the other side of your decal and do the same thing. I have another video where I showed you how to put on transfer tape without wrinkles, and I will link that in the comments if you want to see that one. So again, we're holding it out at a 45-degree angle and straight down the center and then out to the edges. And it goes down nice and smooth that way. And of course, since you use the hinge method, it's on centered and it looks great when it's done. No wrinkles, that's the best part, right? Not to have any wrinkles in your vinyl. So I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you like that SVG file that says Home Sweet Home, you can have it. I have it for free on my blog. I will also link that down below where you can sign up and have that SVG file sent to you so you can use it however you wish. All right. Thanks so much, and I'll see you on the next video.